Appreciate. Hey, welcome to the AI update. My name is Lars Heisler, and today we have some exciting stories for you who are curious about the artificial intelligence. While you may not be tech savvy, there are plenty of fascinating developments that can directly impact your everyday life. From new no-code coding tools to improved AI models and collaborations that make information more accessible. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into what's been happening in the AI world this week. We'll start with OpenAI because OpenAI has announced a new and exciting development. They have started developing their own AI chips using the TSMC Advanced A16 technology. But what does that really actually mean to you? Well, first, it means that OpenAI is moving away from relying on major chips makers like NVIDIA and AMD. By developing their own chips, they can optimize the performance of their AI models, which can make them both faster and more efficient. So what does this mean to you? Well, as a user of ChatGPT or any other OpenAI services like Copilot or some of the other tools where they provide services, this can lead to faster response times and more sophisticated responses. Imagine being able to get answers to complex questions even faster, or being able to interact with an AI that understands the context even better. This is where you see the direct benefit for you: more efficient and intelligent AI solutions in your daily life, whether it's for work, learning, or leisure. One of the competitors, Microsoft, has also released their Phi 3.5 series of AI models, and let me tell you, these models are really impressive. The Phi 3.5 series includes different types of AI models, such as the Phi 3.5 Mini Instruct and the Phi 3.5 MOE Instruct, which are designed to handle various tasks such as code generation, mathematical problem solving, and understanding both text and images. So what's even more impressive is that these models have actually been shown to outperform similar models from major competitors like Google and OpenAI in multiple tests. So if you use Microsoft AI services, such as Microsoft Copilot, you can expect even better results and more efficient solutions. For example, if you work with documents, coding, or data processing, these improvements could make your workflow both faster and easier. That means less time spent on complex tasks and more time focusing on what really matters to you. Well, from Microsoft's new AI Drive, we're turning our attention to exciting news for content lovers, a new collaboration that makes our daily AI interactions even better. Because OpenAI has formed a strategic partnership with Condé Nast, which is one of the world's largest media publishers behind well-known magazines such as Wired, Vogue, and The New Yorker. This partnership means that ChatGPT will now have access to a large selection of quality content from these publications. But what does that actually mean for the quality of the response you get from ChatGPT? Well, this means that when you use ChatGPT, you will even get more accurate and in-depth answers that are based on credible and authoritative resources. This makes ChatGPT even better at providing you with the information you need, whether you wanted to learn something new or find inspiration or simply find a well-funded answer to a complex question. Well, from enhanced content partnerships, we're moving on to something completely different, a new tool that changes the way that we think about coding. One of the most exciting new developments in the AI world right now is Cursor, an AI tool that lets you write code without actually writing any code. Yes, you heard it right. Cursor works a bit like ChatGPT, but instead of typing text, it generates code based on your instructions. So you give Cursor a prompt and it generates the necessary codes for you. So if you want to develop an app or a website, but don't have to put in the time and the idea of how to learn code, this tool is really a game changer. This means that you can now build simple apps and web projects without having any coding experience. For those of you who want to experiment or create something new, this opens a whole new world of possibilities. Well, let's take it back home and see what this can actually do for what AI is also doing for us in a completely different way. We've all heard about robots and how robots are doing, and this week the AI-powered robot has taken it a big step forward with the launch of Neo, an AI humanoid robot from startup 1X, which is backed by OpenAI. Neo is designed to help with everyday tasks around the home, from cleaning to cooking and even organizing your things. Imagine having a helper who never gets tired and is always ready to assist. So while we're still a long way from a future where robots can completely take over your household chores, Neo shows the potential of how AI can now help us in daily lives. That could mean less time spent on routine tasks and more time doing the things that you love. And for those of you who need extra help around the house, the elderly, busy families, or those with special needs, this technology can really be a big benefit. It might also be maybe it could be a new boyfriend or a new girlfriend. I don't know if that's a part of the strategy, but imagine you can have one doing helping you at home and make sure that you argue on Wednesdays and you're very good friends on Friday. I think that's a wonderful development coming up. Well, this was all from this week. I hope that you will be following our AI news. We hope that you found these stories both interesting and enlightening. AI continues to evolve at a rapid pace, and we can't wait to bring you the next big stories. Remember to subscribe and share our content so that you will always be updated on the latest in AI. Well, see you next week.